Welcome to our channel ScaraBeads. My name is Galina Cheremisina, and today we are going to show you an overview of beads produced by Perles par Puca. It is a very interesting series of beads. First on the market appeared this amazing equilateral triangle scalps per Puca size 6 mm. However, from one side on the base it has two holes. The holes are big enough and the needle is going through that without any problem a couple of times. On the other side, triangle has by one hole. Then, company produced crescent beads Arcos per Puca. Such a bead like a crescent, it has three holes, one in the middle and two on extreme ends. As a logic addition to Arcos per Puca beads came minus per Puca. It's such a small barrel, size 2.5 by 3 mm, and with one hole. It fits well between Arcos per Puca beads. For example, in case we are using central hole and we need crescents to be closed into the circle. Perles par Puca released as well bricks beads named Arcos per Puca. If you look on them from the top, then it reminds you oval. It has two holes. Size of Arcos per Puca bead is 2.5 by 5 mm, and the distance between the holes is 2.5 mm. Here you can see the comparison of brick beads and Arcos per Puca beads. Brick beads are more like rectangles. However, Arcos beads are more like an oval, which is smaller by 1 mm than brick beads. Brick bead is 6 mm, Arcos 5. But the distance between holes is the same, 2.5 mm. Tila beads has the same distance between the holes. We can also use these in our own compositions. It is also very interesting to put together Arcos per Puca and Kelps per Puca beads. Side of Kelps per Puca bead is 6 mm, that's why next to Arcos per Puca beads, edges are visible. From my point of view, I more accurately looks Kelps per Puca bead with bricks bead. From another point of view, we can add additional seed bead between Arcos per Puca and Kelps per Puca. Like that is more accurate. As well, through the seed bead, we can do the transfer from Arcos towards Arcos and from triangle to Arcos per Puca. These are very interesting combinations of shapes. Beads of such different shapes inspire for the creation of the different figures. We've done it with you in isometric project, where we were creating from Arcos beads and monos per Puca beads the different geometric figures, such as hectograms, circles, and diamonds. well, we had an interesting project hauled from the Arcos per Puca beads and Cheremisina per Puca beads. Amazingly, Arcos had been arranged in such a wonderful orchid, which was complemented with a cabochon bead with the 2 holes and a peep beads. Such an amazing Christmas tree we have created for the Christmas from Cheremisina per Puca and accompanied them with the lights from the round beads. Played well Arcos per Puca in the project Snowflake with the help of a bugle beads. Precise Look has designed from monochrome beads Arcos per Puca in the project Bracelet Magic Identity. Here as well we've used brick beads and seed beads. Very elegant look have Cheremisina per Puca beads in a project named Cleopatra. They are combined with the 2 holes Zoliduo beads, number 5. Arcos per Puca can be combined as well with Mykonos beads. In a project Winter Rose, we've done with you the heart from such a bowl, and from Arcos per Puca we were doing petals. Arcos per Puca beads lies beautifully into the waves in the project named Necklace Drops of the Sun. We have complemented the waves from Manas and Arcos per Puca beads with the peep pendants. In Elsa necklace, we have used Arcos per Puca beads and Cheremisina per Puca. They have light next to each other beautifully from the convex side. Such a soft pastel colors, made rose and a soft green. Pictures of your projects, your bracelets, we will be happy to see posted in our club or in our Facebook group. Wide range of beads and materials you can purchase in our e-shop ScaraBeads. See you soon again on ScaraBeads channel. Bye bye.